The Bougainvillea Clinic will be hosting two events to mark the 5th year of artificial joint replacement operations in the Virgin Islands. On Friday, December 2nd, orthopedic and joint specialists from the Bougainvillea Clinic and Johnson & Johnson will conduct a specialized joint care interactive session at the clinic. This will be followed by an early morning joint replacement walkathon at the A.O. Shirley Recreation Grounds on Saturday, December 3rd. Dr. Nagy Darwish, who introduced the innovative and specialized artificial joint replacement procedure at the Bougainvillea Clinic in 2006, listed some of the various conditions that would lead to discussions on possible joint replacement procedures, particularly the hip and knee. Dr. Darwish also talked about how the procedure will be done through new, innovative technology offered by the clinic.
Joints are made to be mobile in a very soft, flexible, pain-free movement. So when you start to have problems, this could be a mild or moderate or severe problems. So there is techniques or treatment for each degree of joint problems. When someone with a joint problem comes, severe pain and stiffness, can't walk, lifestyle affected, we offer artificial joint replacement. Artificial means this is, for example, a knee replacement model. And what we do, we open the knee, we shave the rough arthritic part, and we put this new artificial. This is done of a light metal, and you can see that comes out, if I can do it. Here we go. And basically, this is the shape of the bone, and this part goes on top of this, and this part goes on top of that part of the bone with the cartilage in between, and you can basically have a soft joint, flexible and pain-free. We start walking them next day straight away.
Also speaking with JTV News about the clinic's upcoming seminar on the procedure of joint replacement, he said the interactive session is open to joint problem sufferers, patients, and ex-patients interested in learning about typical joint-related issues.
We inviting everybody with joint problems to attend into the Bougainvillea Clinic. The session is held at the clinic itself, reception area, on Friday, the 2nd of December, 6:30. At this session, we will discuss generally joint problems and how we treat them specifically at different stages. We will also we invited Debuy. Debuy is the company provider with the implants, and they are based in Puerto Rico. They're a big international company. And Debuy and Bougainvillea, both of us, we're offering a door price at this stage, and the door price will be 3 sets of injection of this Orthovisc, which treat joint degenerative changes.
Space for the interactive session is limited, and a confirmation of attendance is required by calling the Bougainvillea Clinic. Speaking about the walkathon was owner and manager for the Bougainvillea Clinic, Dr. Hesketh Vanterpool, who explained that the walkathon will demonstrate that persons who have had joint replacement surgery can still function normally.
On the 3rd of December, we are holding a walkathon at the A.O. Shirley Recreation Grounds. Registration starts at 6:30 in the morning, so guys, you got to get up early. Then the walk presses on from there. So the events are going to be between 7 o'clock and 10 o'clock. There's a $20 registration. We are not limiting the walkathon to persons who have had joint replacements only, but you can bring your family members, you can bring your friends. Actually, the walkathon is to demonstrate that people who have had their joints replaced can do a lot of exercise in terms of walking, etc. But we're also trying to raise money for the BVI Cancer Society.
According to Dr. Vanterpool, one member from the public will soon have the opportunity to undergo a free joint replacement, which normally valued at some $22,000. The clinic will look at who are in need of the procedure but do not have the financial means to get it done.